What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to cover 3 play-to-earn crypto games that I think will do quite well. And it's a big if Bitcoin continues its bull run. So the performance of these crypto play-to-earn games will heavily depend on Bitcoin's cycle. But if they do pick up, I think they will do quite well. So let's start off with the first one. First one is Realm. As you can see here, it's at 15.8 cents at the moment, at 8.4 million market cap. So you're probably wondering, what is Realm? Realm is a play-to-earn metaverse crypto game that you can create and explore your own play-to-earn microverse. As you can see here, guys, this little preview right here is basically what it's going to look like. You can create your own microverse and portal into other people's microverses. You can buy land within these microverses. You can buy quant pods that will allow you to bridge into other people's microverses as well. You can also stake your realm, and yeah, that's about it. They're still developing the engine for this game right here. This is just a preview. This is not the whole thing. So it's still developing. As of right now, it is sitting 10 to 13x away from its all-time high. So if it goes back to its all-time high, which I think it will, you get an easy 10x, which is what I'm planning on doing. And by the way, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion. So do your own research. I'm personally putting in very small amounts into these play-to-earn games. Because think about it, if Realm, for example, goes to the Sandbox market cap, it's about 400x away from Sandbox at 3.2 billion market cap, so it's pretty nice. But personally, I'm looking for a 10x because it seems pretty doable, especially with its all-time high being 10x away. Yeah, so 8.5 million market cap, sitting at 16 cents almost, and 10x away from its all-time high. That is the first token. And by the way, guys, have a look at their roadmap. Hop in the chat of Realm, join a Telegram group, and ask for the roadmap. I'll actually link this in the video and the show notes. So this is the roadmap. It looks pretty good. Anything in the green is basically complete. Anything in the blue indicates that it's not complete. They are set to fully launch in June, July, August. So you might see a new all-time high actually for Realm by June, July. We might see it go past $2.16, which is what I'm hoping for. So Realm is my first pick. This is a bit more risky because the market cap is a bit lower. And by the way, their entire team for Realm is doxed, and I'll show you guys right now. At first, when I saw these guys, I thought it's AI generated faces, but it's actually real people. You can search them up. You can search up the CEO, Matthew Larby. You can search these guys up. They're real people. So it makes me a bit more bullish on Realm. So yes, this is the first pick. My second pick is DeFi Kingdoms. This token is a bit more established. It's ranked at 191. And it's a bit more established because they're a bit further along their roadmap compared to Realm. So as of right now, sitting at 191 rank, $316 million market cap with $10 million in volume. And by the way, guys, I forgot to mention, Realm is available on PancakeSwap, Uniswap, and Bitrue. So you can get it on, on 2 chains, on BSC and Ethereum. Makes it easy, nice and easy. So back to DeFi Kingdoms, Jewel, sitting at $4.30. It's on the Harmony chain. You can buy it on Uniswap. You just have to switch over to Harmony. So its all-time high is $22.52. So about 4.5x away. So it's another easy, 4 to 10x if it goes past its all-time high. Let's have a quick look at their website. Yeah, so it's a pretty nice and simple looking website. Their game is available. You can play it, but they're not done yet. You click play, then you have to connect your MetaMask. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just showing you guys my picks. And by the way, I'm still on the fence on some of these. I'm still looking into them. Doesn't mean I will not invest. I'm just sharing them with you guys at the moment. Okay, so yes, so they have their own swap on the actual game itself. You can provide liquidity, you can farm the jewel token, and you can buy land, you can buy heroes, you can build buildings, and some of these are still to come, so they're not out yet. They have quite a bit to go, quite a bit left in their roadmap. They have a bunch of stuff done, which is why their market cap got propelled so high to $316 million. It was actually at 1.3 billion at some point. So if you're looking for an entry right now, I would say is not bad, because they did quite come down quite a bit from their all-time high of $22. So if you pick up a couple $100 worth and you ride it up to its all-time high again, you can get an easy 4x on your money, which is personally what I'll be doing. So that's DeFi Kingdoms for you. Yeah, have a look. This one looks pretty good as well. They have an audit by Solidity Finance. They have tutorials. And by the way, their team is huge for DeFi Kingdoms. They have back-end development. They have front-end development. They have game design and lore. They have creative. They have game mechanics, marketing, community, biz dev, business development, operations. They have a lot of teams. So it's no wonder this one picked up quite fast compared to a lot of tokens. And they launched right before, they launched in September, and they really picked up in October, November when Bitcoin was making all-time highs. So no wonder. And their game overall looks pretty good. So let's continue. So my third pick is going to be derace. So this is derace. Derace is a play to earn NFT racing metaverse game where you can participate in horse races, breed NFT horses with unique characteristics, and build your own NFT hippodrome and make profit while you're doing it. So it looks pretty cool. This is what the game looks like. You can actually race other people. It's so you have like a leaderboard, and you can race other people, breed your own horses, etc., etc. Sitting at $40 million market cap at $1.20 right now. Its all-time high was $8, so it's about a 7x away. So this is not bad to pick up right now as well, because it's quite down. And they have a huge team as well. One of the main guys, well, not the main guys, one of the more prominent people on their team is actually Alex Becker. You guys probably heard of him. Where's the team? Here. So one of the people behind it is Alex Becker, and they have a huge team, guys. They have a lot of people in this development, which is pretty nice. And the fact that it didn't really make a run-up, it still didn't go parabolic, is quite good. Keep in mind, all these tokens that I'm mentioning, their performance, unfortunately, will heavily depend on Bitcoin's bull run. So everybody knows this. Just be prepared. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, obviously. Don't spread yourself too thin. Don't buy every single thing I'm showing you guys. I personally would choose one or two at most. If I was to watch this video, I would choose one or two. It's up to you. What you like best and what you think is better based on your research. So yes, you can derace is basically about NFT horses, horse races, and horse breeding. So it's basically like gambling, buying NFTs, and this is what the platform looks like. So this, I can see this doing quite well if the hype builds up hard behind this, especially with this whole metaverse hype, play to earn game type of because there's been a lot of hype about metaverse games and play to earn games. So if it really picks up again, like we saw in October, November, I see all these coins that I mentioned doing pretty good. So yeah, so it's Realm, DeFi Kingdoms, and derace. And guys, again, you don't have to put a lot of money into these. I'm myself not putting anything more than $150. I'm putting very small amounts, because if they do parabolic numbers, like let's say 10x, 50x, 100x, like even $100 at 100x, that's 10 grand, guys. So that's crypto for you, you know. So do what you will. These are my picks. They might do well, they might not do well. It all really depends on Bitcoin. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.